All right, Abecedarians, week 20, cycle 1. So, we're going to do math to the tune of This Old Man, and it goes, and hope this is the right direction for you guys, but the circumference of a circle equals 2 times pi times the radius. The circumference of a circle equals 2 pi r, 2 times pi times the radius. And then Latin, continuing to do what we did the first time around. What are some parts of the of the atmosphere? So I have hand motions. So tropo means like turbulent or changing, because that's where most of our weather is. So we are gonna say troposphere, like it's very volatile, okay? And then we're gonna say stratosphere, because stratosphere is on top and it literally means layer, stratosphere. That's where most of our ozone is. So it actually gets quite hot in the stratosphere. The temperature goes up as you increase in elevation. And then we're gonna say mesosphere, and we're gonna like kind of shake this middle finger, because meso means middle. And if you look, this is the very middle of all the layers. So it's the mesosphere. And then we have the thermosphere, and we're gonna pretend like we're drinking out of a thermos, because the thermosphere is named, it literally, the name thermo means heat, and it's named that because it absorbs UV and X-rays. So like similar to a thermos, it absorbs the heat and stuff. So we're gonna say thermosphere, and then we're gonna go, like we're drinking out of a warm thermos. And then for exosphere, we're gonna go like this, exosphere, because it's the very outside, exosphere. I'm gonna bring like a diagram so they can see what it looks like in class, and we might play a game if we have time where I cover up the names, and then they have to like guess what the name is on each level, and I'll just blank out one name at a time, so they only have one name that they have to try to figure out what it is. Okay, English, a linking verb, and we're gonna say a linking, so we're gonna go a linking verb, and that's like an action, so we're gonna run. A linking verb makes an assertion by joining two words. Okay, so an example would be like, my mother is absolutely sure, and that word is would be a linking verb. Or God stays true to his promises, and stays would be a linking verb in that sentence. All right, for timeline. For Australia becomes a Commonwealth, we're gonna jump like a kangaroo. So Australia becomes a Commonwealth. Mexican Revolution, so we're doing maracas from Mexico. And then we're gonna say World War I and President Wilson. And then we're gonna do an L, so it'll be like this. Lenin and the Bolshevik Revolution in Russia. This is the Communist Fist. And then we're gonna say U.S. evangelist Billy Graham. And modern period of the arts is all about the consciousness. So we're gonna say modern period of the arts. And we're gonna say the Great Depression and the New Deal. Because in the Great Depression, they had all these welfare programs to help people. Okay, tell me about the Mexican Revolution. All right, so I'm gonna give you the hand motions. I'm not gonna sing the song, but circa 1910, during the Mexican Revolution, which is on our timeline this week, so during the Mexican Revolution, Pancho Villa, and if you look at his picture, he has a very turned mustache. He's known for it. So we're going to say Pancho Villa and Emiliano Zapata. And we're going to make like a sombrero, because that's what he wore, and it's in the picture also. Fought the Federales for land and liberty. All right. I have a separate video for geography, so make sure to look at that. It's to the tune of Let's Go Fly a Kite. It's originally from CC Happy Mom, so cannot take credit for that one. All right, guys. Thank you.